Good morning, guys. This panel seemed to work last night, or at least it seemed to have charged enough, charged the batteries up well enough for the LED light show to work. We didn't get much sun yesterday, so I did have to boost it using spotlights. So that may not have been a fair test, but either way, I've repaired or replaced the metal contacts in the battery box. So I'm going to put those batteries in there and then wire this up to the circuit board and see if it will work off that panel fitted on the front there. So that's today's little project. I don't know why oh yes, I do know why I'm doing that. I'll need those to go in there. Right, this will be replaced. Just make sure I know which one's positive and which one's negative. At the moment, that green wire is the positive and the brown wire is the negative. No, I'm wrong. Brown wire is the positive, green wire is the negative. Put some glasses on. Right, let's see if we can do this. Might be easier if we move all this. Shove that out of the way. So it's actually labelled battery plus. Okay. Okay, that one's in. Just for now, I'm going to tape it shut. Just so we can leave it like that in the sunlight and see if it works. Well, we've had an hour or so of bright sunshine. It's gone behind the clouds now. But if I pick this up and walk with it into the dark, there we go. See the lights coming on. We go to a nice dark place where it makes it even easier to see. That looks to me like a success. And that was only a few minutes in bright sunshine. I'm pleased with that. Where was the on-off switch? That side. Yep, on-off switch works. So all I need to do now is decide whether I actually want to put this outdoors. Because if I want to put it outdoors, I need to make that solar battery box waterproof. Obviously I've only got a bit of tape around there at the moment, so I'll need new screws, a bit of hot glue to hold the circuit board in place inside, because that's just rattling around, and some sort of sealant all around the solar panel to stop the water running in behind it. Silicone sealant is best. Well, it only stop the water running in where the two holes are. But yep, I'm going to class that one as a success. We'll leave it there. I can have a look at it later tonight. But that was only about an hour of full sunshine and that powered it up. Brilliant. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.